Greetings, my name is Sahitya and this is my submission for the AI Impact Festival 2024. I have created a project which helps the recruiters in the recruiting process by parsing the various resumes they receive. It is based on the natural language processing domain of artificial intelligence. I have trained a custom name entity recognition model. This model has been trained on the text data of over 400 resumes and therefore it has an accuracy of 95%. The project also gives a rating out of 10 to the recruiter based on the various skills it has extracted from the resume. Now let's see a demonstration of my project. This is the main Python file of the project. Let me just run it. Just a second. Yeah, so the program has started. Here you can see it welcomes the users, welcomes the recruiter to the resume parser. Then it asks the users to locate the resume. By clicking on this button, a file dialog appears. As you can see here, using this file dialog, the user can give the location of the resume. For example, if I choose this Alice Clark CV for my demonstration. When I click open, it will now show me the extracted skills, college name from which they have graduated, the graduation year, the companies they have worked at, and their designation in the company they have worked, and also their name. And here it gives the rating out of 10 based on the various skills it has extracted, like it has extracted machine learning, natural language processing, and big data handling. Therefore, it gives the users, therefore it counts these skills and the other things like the Microsoft they have worked at Microsoft, they have graduated from Indian Institute of Technology, etc. for giving this a rating. Thank you. This was our project.